Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss probability, class 10, exercise 13.1, problem number 1. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the probability of getting a deck of cards. In this session, we are going to discuss exercise problems. Click this I button to learn introduction to probability and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Let us see. First one, complete the following statements. The probability of an event E plus the probability of event E dash or E complement. Already we discussed, that is P of E plus P of E bar equal 1. P of E plus P of E complement equal to 1. So here the probability of an event, so getting an event E and E complement means that is not getting the event, you can say. So the probability of an event E plus the probability of event E complement is, that is 1. Second one, the probability of an event that cannot happen is, such an event is called. So if we can, for example I am saying, if we throw one die, so getting a number 7, is it possible? So what is the probability of getting a number 7? What are the favorable outcomes to 7? That is 0. So like this. So the probability of an event that cannot be happen, we are not getting that event. So that cannot be happen is 0. Such event is called impossible event. That's such that event is called impossible event. So impossible event, one probability always it is 0 only. Next, third one, the probability of an event that is certain to happen. We are getting that one. Sure we are getting, that is 1. Such an event is called sure event or certain event. Sure or certain event. Sure event or certain event. Fourth one, the sum of probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is, sum of the all probabilities, how much we are getting? That is always 1 only. We discussed in the introduction part. That is, we are getting 1. For example, you have to take one coin, you can take. What is the probability of getting head? How much chance will be? That is 1 by 2 chance. Getting a tail, that is also 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 1. So sum only we took now. The sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. Always we are getting the sum of the probabilities, always we are getting that event is 1. Next, fifth one, in the first bit, last one it is, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. The probability always it will be 0 and 1 lie between. Sometimes less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. So here the probability always 0 less than or equal to, the probability of that event equal less than or equal to 1. So 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. This is the first bit. Next, second problem. Which of the following experiment have equally likely outcomes? Explain. So, what is the definition of equally likely? Already we discussed in the introduction part only. So, what is equally likely means two or more events are said to be equally likely if each one of them has equal chance. Both all are two or more events. So, all events are getting equal chance. Equal chance means that is equally likely. Now see here. First question. A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. So if I am riding a bike, example. So I kicked once. So only two chances will be. It will start or does not start. Yes? Both are we are getting equal chance or not? Here also same as this. A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. So, is it equally likely? Yes. Solution: equally likely. So, why it is equally likely? Here, the car start or does not start, both are equal chance. The car start or does not start are equal chance. So this is the first one. Both we are getting start or does not start. Both are we are getting equal chance. Here start is 1 by 2, does not start also we are getting 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 chance will be. Next question. A player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shot. If I am throwing a ball, basketball, it is shoot or missing. So we are getting only one basketball to one time only we attempted, only once. So it will be missing or shot will be. So both we are getting equal chance or not. So as solution you can write it equally likely. Second one, equally likely. So why it is equal likely? The shot or misses the shot are equal chance. The shot or misses the shot are equal chance. Both are we are getting equal chance. Now next third one it is a trial is made to answer a true or false question. Here just two options only, true or false question. The answer is right or wrong. Is it equal likely? So we are getting true or false. True or false in we are getting equal chance or not? So equal chance only. So it is also equally likely. So the answer right or wrong? Right or wrong are equal chance. Next fourth one it is a baby is born. It is boy or girl. A baby is born. So the born baby is boy or girl. So is it equal likely or not? So born baby is equal likely or not? Yes, it is equal likely. Why? Because boy or not or both equal chance will be. So equally likely. The baby, the boy or the girl is equal chance. Both are we are getting equal chance. So we are getting equal chance means that is equal likely. So we don't know. So the baby is born is boy or girl, we know. We don't know. Equal, maybe boy or girl. So both are equal chance or not. So that's why it is equal likely. The question is, if P of E equals 0.05, what is the probability of not E? So solution. So not E means E complement we need to find. So here P of E is given. This one we are taking as given P of E equals 0.05. So not E means P of E bar equal question mark. P of E bar equal question mark. We know that what we know, P of E plus P of E complement or E bar equal to 1. P of E value we know that is 0.05 plus P of E bar equal to 1. This 0.05 you can transpose to write P of E complement equal 1 minus 0.05. So P of E complement equals, so 1 minus means 1.00, 0.05 means we are getting 59.0. So 0.95. So what is the probability of not E? That is 0.95. Therefore, probability of not E equal 0.95. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.